Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Monday, 25th of July 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 karats gold without VAT price is 209.15 and with VAT is 240.52. 22 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 192 without VAT and with VAT is 220.80. 21 karats gold without VAT is 183.01 and with VAT is 210.46. 18 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 156.86 and with VAT is 180.39. 14 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 122.35 and with VAT is 140.70. 10 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 87.22 and with VAT is 100.30. 6 karats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 52.29 and with VAT is 60.13. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15%. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.